Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Pixellab is installed and has storage permission. This lets the app access the PLP file. Once done, move the PLP into an easy folder like Downloads so you don't hunt for it. You should also confirm the PLP is not zipped. If it is, extract it first. This first action saves time and prevents permission errors, and it sets you up to import cleanly without interruptions or file mismatch issues. You now import the PLP directly inside Pixellab. Tap Menu, pick Import or Open Project, and navigate to Downloads where you place the file. Once you select it, Pixellab reads assets and fonts. Make sure to stay on screen until loading completes to avoid corrupt imports. If the project references missing fonts, Pixellab will prompt you. Install or substitute them. This ensures layers, effects, and placements load exactly as intended, preventing layout drift later. You finish by inspecting layers, fonts, and image positions, make small fixes, and then save to Pixellab's internal folder or export a backup to cloud. Once saved, export your final image at desired resolution. If import fails, check the PLP file integrity and storage permissions first, and make sure it wasn't renamed or corrupted during transfer. If problems persist, try a different device or reinstall Pixellab to clear config issues before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.